Welcome back everyone, this is Sid and it's my channel Sid & Co. Let's start. So as I promised you guys that I will help you guys in earning 30k in next 6 months, and if you are unable to earn 30k in the next 6 months I will be giving you a free trip to Europe. I hope you guys have your passports ready for Europe. So let us start from today, mark the date please. 6th September 2023. Now let us get to the main reason why we are here. Firstly, we will be heading directly towards the works that does not need any investments. You don't need to spend any single penny. As I said in previous videos that you only need a laptop or your cell phone with a good internet connection. Let's start with the first and well-paying one. So nearly every one of you shop from Amazon, right? Now it's time for us to get the money from Amazon. Keep in mind you don't have to pay a single penny for this, so there is no loss in trying, right? Well now, how many of you have heard about Jeff Bezos paying people just for promoting Amazon's products to other people? Let us just get on with that. So the first step is to visit the Amazon site. It does not matter if it is Amazon India, Saudi Arabia, or USA, you will find the same options on the site. Just log in to your Amazon account and now go to the bottom of the Amazon homepage. There you will see in the center it says Make Money with Us, and under that you will see the fifth option says Become an Affiliate. Just click on that and sign up with your correct details. As you know, they will sending you money according to those details, which includes bank account details too. That is why it has to be correct. After filling out all the details asked by Amazon to become an affiliate and getting your own affiliate ID, you just have to follow some more easy steps to start earning. Once these steps are completed, you will be able to see Amazon Associate site stripe over the search bar of the Amazon, where you type and search any of the product. This means you are now active to earn money through Amazon. Now just search for any of the Amazon product and look up just next to that Amazon Associate site stripe part. You will see Get Link option. Just click on that and you will see options for short link and full link. Select the full link option and paste it to Facebook, Instagram with post, or in bio, or on Pinterest. You will earn as soon as anyone purchases the product from your link. And you can also track how many clicks and sales through your links on your account. Now about the posts that you want to create on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter or Pinterest or at any other site, I have a solution for that too for you guys. You can just post automatically on all of these together. For that I am giving a link of the AI named Cheat Layer that I use to automatically post on these. Just download the extension and you are good to go. You will find the link in the description for it. And if there is anything you did not understand from this video, then try any of the product which you want to buy from Amazon. Share its link to me on my Instagram at IamSeanSid. I will let you know the steps on how be the affiliate for Amazon and earn money more than 30k without doing hard work or needing some special skills or without any investment. And if you can invest any money in the work, for example, there is many online works, e-commerce stores, or having your own websites and all, which requires investment, maybe small amount, but yes, it needs investment, about which we will be talking in the future. As I said, I will tell you all step by step. Just do not forget to subscribe. Sid & Company. Until next time guys.